What's up guys, it's me Umair. So here's my battery. My battery is remaining 71%, 30, 30.7 Celsius is the temperature, 3.9 voltage. But I wanna show you the main thing is the battery life. How good is the battery life? Let me go to the battery. I always use the stamina mode on. I mean, even I turn off, there's not much of a difference in brightness, so there's nothing different. View. Okay, as you can see, last full charge 8 hours ago, 1 hour point 3 screen on time. Normally I get 4 to 5 hours screen on time. If you don't believe me, I use the Microsoft launcher where I can control my screen on time. As you can see, yeah, I mean, you can see, yeah. So the battery life is around 4 to 5 hour SOT. I use the 4G. I'm using the Wi-Fi plus I'm using the 4G LTE plus 4.5G. The battery life is amazing, to be honest with you. The battery life is next level. I never seen such a amazing battery life on any given phone. The battery life is the best. I mean, for a 4K display running with Snapdragon 445, Snapdragon 445 is a power hungry processor. Even it's built on a 10 nanometer, but still it's a power hungry processor because it's a flagship. It 8 cores run around at 2.8 gigahertz. But the battery life is so much amazing that I could not tell you how much I love the battery. So it was me, Umair. If you're looking for one of the best battery life phone, you just can't go wrong with the SONY XPERIA XZ2 Premium. Check out the links in the description box.